5 months ago, we left everything behind to start a new life in Italy. This week, experts told us something we never expected to hear. What we thought was a 250-year-old ruin might actually be over 800 years old. Welcome back to Vista Verde, the Italian dream. This episode is brought to you by BLUETTI. One of the biggest issues I used to have working in the forest, working on a driveway in the land is power. It works. How much did we use? We used 2% of the battery for 4 holes in concrete. This is amazing. This provides me the opportunity to work now anywhere on the land. Before we tell you about today's discovery, I want to show you why we are out here in the first place. These are Italian stone pines. One day we'd love to grow around 500 of them every year. It's just a small step towards making Vista Verde more self-sustainable and hopefully creating something that will still be here long after we're gone. It's finally time to go inside the forest. We have been exploring the forest before. We have a video also on the YouTube channel, but now it's different. Now I'm gonna try and check if I can clear out a certain area to make my greenhouse for all my trees. As you can see, the forest is actually an overgrown land that's not being maintained for roughly 30 to 40 years. So lots of work to do to clean this up. I have 4 full batteries. My chainsaw is filled up. Let's see what we can do.
Full of post-its in the ceiling of things I like to follow through, but I hold on. A visionary, sunlight shows an empty room. Long for what's to come. Keep forgetting how to make it known before it's already.
So today is a very sunny day. And the solar panels are now creating roughly 250 watts of input in the power bank. So that will take us, right now it's saying 8 hours, but when the sun gets even stronger, it goes down to 5 hours roughly to have it fully charged. So not bad at all. So BLUETTI asked me to put it to a test, so I'm gonna try something. I have my phone on the fast charger, having a 100 watt output. Then I have a coffee machine and a water boiler. Water boiler is on. Let's try the coffee. 2400 watts. No issues. Phone still fast charging.
Long for what's to come. Keep forgetting how to make it known before it's already gone. Looking back too soon is how you know. Did the moment even make it past the room?
Hey. Ja, papi is in het bos aan het werken. Papi is in het bos aan het werken. Wat is dat? Is dat bos? Kijk hoeveel plek. Kijk hoeveel plek. Hup, 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 hup.
Kom mee. Kom, kom, kom.
This will be a very good spot for my growing my trees, because they have the shelter from the sun, from the rain, from hailstorms. It won't be too sunny, but it will still be sunny enough, you know? As it turned out, that twisted ankle wasn't going to be the biggest surprise of the week. We thought this meeting was just another step towards renovating our Italian ruin. Instead, it became the biggest discovery we've made since moving to Italy. Our Geometra son, Marco, pointed out something none of us had ever noticed before. Minutes later, we were standing above a hidden underground space nearly 7 meters deep. Even the previous owner didn't know it existed. And suddenly, we started questioning everything we thought we knew about this property.
Room we found.
Uh-huh.
You can even ask for more
Square meters.
cubic meters to build.
Oké, wat bij.
Here, the entrance for downstairs.
Er is hier nog ruimte onder.
We found another room,
Hier,
which is not that one.
lower.
Yeah.
So I should be careful standing. So you say there is one more room.
Yeah. So, wait a few seconds here, and I will show you.
Oké, van binnen.
I go on the other side.
Oké.
So
Is dat vervelend voor hier te staan?
eigenlijk niet echt.
Ah,
Maar...
wel.
Can you see the window? Where we are standing.
So you have another room here.
So we have another room. Okay. So we have an extra room.
So more volume for the.
The rebuilding.
Exactly.
Do you want me to try and put the camera inside the room with a flashlight? Because now you sparked my curiosity. Side of our ruin here. This wall, the sloped wall, is at least one of the signs that this building is a lot older than we expected, because this is how they used to build castles back in the time.
I know, the structure here is perfect.
Yes. It would be beautiful if you put a terrace next to it.
Yeah.
Okay. If you're as amazed as we are, make sure to subscribe and follow our journey, because this discovery changes everything. Just a few hours ago, we were seriously considering demolishing the whole ruin and start from a new foundation. But now, we're wondering if these ancient walls deserve a second life. Maybe this hidden space will become a wine cellar. Maybe we'll uncover even more secrets. One thing is certain, this journey just became a whole lot more interesting. What do you think this room was used for, with the small entrance, the door on top of that small square? Maybe for storage? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. When we first visited this place, we actually really knew nothing about the surroundings. And to our luck, we have, I'm not sure how to say it in English, but a shop where you can buy building materials. In Dutch we call it een doe-het-zelver. But these 8x8s is just, I take my car, it's 4 minutes down the road, just down the street, and it's my favorite shop. The people are very friendly. It's also a family shop, so you have the son, the daughter, the mom, the dad. It's a whole family business. It's absolutely beautiful, and they're very friendly too, so yeah. But I just wanted to say this.
I remember right, the two corgi? 140 and 150. Oh, okay.
Va bene, insomma,
So I have to pay.
gli ho detto specifica Romina Puccini, Vanni Simonetta e Puccini Tiziana. Invece Massi De Va.
Ciao Nico.
See you next time.
Yeah. I give you phone.
Grazie. One thing I really like about this setup is that we're not just carrying power around, we can actually create it, making it perfect for off-grid work and of course as an emergency backup here in rural Italy. You know what makes me so happy with the sponsorship? Not because it's a sponsor or that it's an income or I get a product. No, what makes me happy is that I'm now able to work anywhere I want on my land. The solar panels, I don't have to take them with me all the time. If the battery is charged, it's charged. But for now I'm doing a lot of work, so the solar panels are just maintaining the battery on a certain level. And it's, what can I say, you know, it's great. It's absolutely great. I have 8x8s. I'm cutting them with my saw. And I'm so impressed that a power station can handle machines like this. I don't know about you, but if you have a lot of land, you're working on the land, and you don't want a diesel generator or a gas generator, we have 2.5 hectares of land. I have so many things to do, and not all my tools are on battery. So yeah, it's a game changer, you know, it's a game changer. And when we go on road trips, we can take it with us. Yeah, great sponsor. Thank you for watching Vista Verde, the Italian dream. I hope you enjoyed this crazy discovery today. If you want to have more behind the scenes, consider following us on Instagram. You can follow us on VistaVerde_Cereto. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.